Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to remove view only on a Google Sheets documents. So here I already have the documents that I got. Oh my bad, this one. Okay, and you can see that here is view only right here. So we can remove this view only by just click this permissions or edit access by click this part. Go click these three small dots and go click request edit access, and the system will be sending the request access into the owner of this document. And you can start edit these documents after the owner give you the permissions to edit the files. But then if you takes too long time to wait until you get the access, you can do this instead. Go click these three small dots and share and export, and go click make a copy. And now your Google Sheet application will start copying the documents, but then the owner will be changed from someone else's to you. And now you can start editing the documents that you got here. So that's the way how to remove view only on a documents. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.